In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in the Shopify Dawn theme. Adding a favicon is a small yet significant detail that enhances your brand's visibility and creates a more polished appearance for your online store. It's the tiny icon you see on your browser tab next to your store's name, which can help your customers easily recognize your brand amidst numerous tabs. To start, you'll want to be logged into your Shopify account and have access to your online store dashboard. From the Shopify homepage, our first task is to locate and navigate to the Online Store section. You'll find this option on the sidebar of your admin dashboard. Give it a click to proceed. This will open up a variety of options for managing your store's aesthetics and functionality. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll be automatically taken to the Themes page. Here, you'll see your store's current theme listed, which is likely the Dawn theme if you're following this video. What you need to do next is look for a button labeled Customize. It's typically found in a prominent position, allowing you to personalize your theme settings effortlessly. Click on Customize to open the editor mode for your theme. Inside the theme editor, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the screen, where you will see a gear icon labeled Theme Settings. Clicking on this gear icon will open a menu with various customization options. This gear represents the control center for your theme's finer details. In the Theme Settings panel, look for the option labeled Logo. This may seem counterintuitive, but this section houses the favicon settings for Shopify's Dawn theme. Click on Logo, and a new set of options will appear. Now, you'll find an option titled Favicon. This is the section where you'll be able to upload your favicon file. Click the button that says Select, and a file selector will open. Here, you have the flexibility to either upload a new image from your device or choose an existing asset from your image library within Shopify. A tip here: ensure your favicon image is square, with dimensions around 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels for optimal quality across different devices. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Remember that small touches like this contribute significantly to brand recognition and the overall professionalism of your website. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store. We'll see you in the next video.